So hello guys and welcome back to Chess with Ayush, and guys, thanks a lot for showing the support in the last few shorts video. I'm really happy about it that you guys are enjoying the chess shorts video. And today I'm not uploading any chess short video but rather uploading a puzzles video. So I'll first tell you what puzzles are. So here I am in the chess.com app and it also gives us the option of solve puzzles. I will click on that. So I have not played this position as you can see, but it has given me this random position, and now I have to search for the best move in this position. And above you can see it shows white to move, so I am playing with white pieces, so I have to search for the best move. And the black has just played rook to f7, so I think the best move should be if I take the rook, he takes back and I push this pawn and fork the king and the rook. So this was the best position, so it shows correct. So I have done this correctly, but I think it would be really boring if I do these if I do this puzzles like this slowly. So I would rather do a puzzle rush. So I will first tell you what a puzzle rush are. So in puzzle rush, we have a time limit, while in these rated puzzles we don't have that time limit. So in this there are three types of time limits: 3 minutes, 5 minutes, and survival. So I think I should play 3 minutes because it would be really interesting and it's the fastest we can do. So right now my top score is 15, so I will try to beat it. And let's see in my friends leaderboard who is at the top. Okay, I will see in the friends. Okay, my second account is at the highest. It has got 18 puzzles in a row, and this one has got 15. So I will now try to beat 18 puzzles and let's see if I can do it. So it will be really quick, I think, because I usually play them, and I might not be able to commentate on them. So I think you all will understand. And guys, wait till the end because I'm gonna also challenge a random opponent to a puzzle battle in which we will be getting the same puzzles and we will see who solves the fastest. And guys, also one more thing, here we have 3 strike system. So we cannot and if we get 3 strikes then the game will be over, and no matter what our time is. So I am right now doing it. I think we give a check here. What do we do here? A back rank mate. I have already done 4. Checkmate here. What do we do here? I think the bishop looks free. Oh no, what was wrong with that? The bishop was free anyways. I think what should we do here? The puzzles are getting okay. This is a free. I will take this. What do we do here? I think we take the knight. It's the best move, but rather forking the queen, it's better. And now take the knight. Okay, actually I messed it up a little bit in the opening, but now I think I'm in a nice position. Okay, what is this? We take the queen and we take the knight. 9 done, so far so good. Give a check here. After this, what do we do? We give a check here, maybe. Yes, it's a checkmate now. After this, we give a check here, it blocks, we take this, take the rook. Okay, 11 already, nice, really nice. I think if we get a rook here, then it would be a forced mate. Okay, it's a forced mate. And this move after this, I think we should give a check, or what should we do here? Okay, this is a bit tricky position actually. I don't know if I have much moves. Oh no, it was wasting a lot of time, so I did whatever I found to be the best. So I have got 2 strikes, but it's not really good. I shouldn't have got 2 strikes already. Give a check. Checkmate. 14 I have to target for 18, guys. It's getting difficult for me. What is the best move? Okay, this check, and after that take here. Okay, best moves. I think we can take and then push these pawns. Yes, it is queening. After this we are black. I think we will, okay, we cannot give a check there. What will we do? We will give a check like this, check like this, take the rook. 16 17. Okay, nice. Oh no, this is really, I think we will take this like that, like this. 18. Okay, I need to do one more for the best. So I think I should push this pawn. I should take with the bishop, or no, with the knight. And knight. Okay, we got the best score. I think we will take with the pawn, gives the check, block it, takes it. Oh, 20, nice. If I can do one more, it would be really nice. No, I messed up. Okay, 20 is really good. Okay, see, I also got a title, Speed Solver 20 in 3 minutes. Maybe my best because in the my main account also I have got. So guys, after the puzzle rush, it's time for the puzzle battle against a random player. So let's see if I can do well in this too. Okay. I hope I get an opponent really quickly because I don't want to waste any time. Okay, we got an opponent. Okay, this is background mate. It's a free knight. It's also a background mate. It is also a background mate. And what do we have to do here? I think this. What do we have to do here? A check. Okay, a check and take the bishop. What do we do here? I'm a bit confused. I think we give a check, and after that, we take the bishop. Maybe yes. Okay, here, not sure. I think we have to do yes, and after this a fork, and we take the rook. Nice. And now background mate. Okay, check. That was also correct. Okay, this is a bit confusing. I think his queen's getting trapped or what. I'm not sure. I don't think I'll be losing this because my opponent is stuck on 6 right now. I I am also really stuck here. Okay, a check here, and checkmate. We give a check here, and another back rank. It was kind of a back rank mate. You can see that. Should we give a check here and a checkmate? What do we do? What do we have to do here? Black pieces. Okay, I also got one wrong, but he has already got all the 3 wrong. I think I should keep on playing and let's see how many I can get. I don't think there's any threat to his king right now, so I should search for other moves. I think this traps the queen. Yes, that traps the queen, and we give a check. We give another. No, that was wrong. That was a repetition actually. Okay, what do we do here? This is also confusing. Do we give a check? Okay. So actually, under time pressure, I got I got 16 in 3 minutes. I think I defeated my. I don't think, but that is what happened. I defeat my opponent with by doing double the puzzles that he did. So as this was the video, I did a puzzle rush and also a puzzle battle. If you also want to play against me, you can type your user ID in the comment section, and I will send you a friend request and we can play someday. So till the next video, bye bye, and subscribe and like if you enjoyed.